Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I have a little treat for you guys. I finally got back my car. So I've probably had it for about a week now. I've just been kind of getting used to driving it, feeling out the new clutch, how it is with the cams and whatnot, and you know, just putting in some normal driving mileage that isn't too hard. I have gotten on it a couple times a little bit to feel it out, see how the gears are and whatnot, but the car's driving pretty good, but something did happen, and I'll show you guys under the hood. One of the problems that I'm having right now is this Mach 1 grill isn't sticking in. I guess the bumper came off, if you didn't see in the last video, and I guess the rivets came out, and right now it's being held by zip ties, so I want to give that a little clean underneath there, and then just 3M tape it. Everything looks fine in here just by looking at it, but if you look a little closer down in here, this AC line went. It got too hot and then it blew. These headers, the BBK Shorty headers that I have on here, they get pretty hot. It gets pretty hot in this engine bay, not gonna lie. So I think that was part of the issue, but I got a replacement. But right now I just have no working AC, which kind of sucks, but other than that, the car works good. So yeah, guys, we're probably gonna take this thing out for a little drive. I'm gonna bring it down to my dad's house. I'll use the vacuum and give my interior a nice little detail there, much needed. And then we have a nice little Mustang cruise that we're going on tomorrow down in Niagara Falls, which will be fun. So hopefully this thing will be all right. It pulls pretty nice considering it's not tuned, but we're getting there, one thing at a time. Well, guys, it feels weird to have this head strap on because I haven't worn it in a really long time. So let's fire this thing up. It's not a cold start. I have driven this thing today, but cold enough. Sounds incredible though from inside. I feel like I have to yell over the exhaust. I don't know if you guys can see it, if the camera's picking it up, but my service engine light is on and my ABS light are both on. I got no ABS sensors currently, and well, the catted X pipe is throwing a code for both my cats, so that kind of sucks. But once I get it tuned, the code should be gone. The tune will solve a lot of problems for me. whistling already. I think I might need to adjust that firewall adjuster. I hope it's that's all that it is. Well guys, I got my interior all cleaned up. I just gave it a nice little vacuum, and then I cleaned my leather, conditioned my leather, and then I also did all the vinyl, like the dash and little armrest there, and I also did the back seats. And it's my first time using Chemical Guy's leather cleaner and conditioner, and I'm actually quite surprised at how, I guess, glossy my leather came out. But it's really, my driver's seat's really showing its age, and I'll show you that in a second. But overall, it's not too bad. I mean, I don't really have everything I need here to get the carpets looking really clean, and my carpets aren't in good condition to begin with, so they're not perfect. But I guess while I'm here, I can show you guys this. I haven't shown this on my channel yet. It's kind of hard to see. This is my 06 Dodge Charger with the wide body. A little bit of a work in progress, but it currently does not run. It's super dirty, super filthy. Haven't driven it probably since last September, but it's been a while. Definitely doesn't get as much love as it deserves. Go ahead and show you guys what I got going on in here. So I got the leather cleaned up. I realized I'm missing the boot there, so that's not stock. So that's really gross. You can literally see inside there, but it's whatever. And the leather looks much better now. Dash looks much better. That carpet there is not as disgusting anymore. But look at the back. The back got really, really glossy. Much more glossy than the front. And I used the same amount of the conditioner as I did on all the other seats. So I don't know what happened there, but I don't know. I'm happy with it. I'm going to leave it. People. Thank you, you too. Oops. Thank you, you too. Fucking making the McDonald's drive-thru smell like gas. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Probably a little bit of a shorter one. I'm gonna go and film today's video now, which is a little bit of a Mustang cruise that we're going on. Probably won't be too big, but if you're wondering, that's why I look exactly the same in both these videos. I have to film the end of this video, this current video, a day later because I ended up getting home a little late last night, and I just didn't really feel like wrapping up this video. But yeah, so just wanted to give you guys like a little update on, you know, how the car is driving, a little bit of a POV drive, and you know what's going on. But yeah, the car definitely needs a tune. And then other than that, it's pretty much set, I guess. The only other thing I wanted to do, if I didn't mention already, was a little bit of front end suspension work just to tighten it up a little bit. But yeah, other than that, the car is pretty much good. It sounds great. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, and a subscription. I will see you guys all next time.